Like, this is just oh my god. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you've never seen me before, my name is Candice. Welcome aboard. Based off the title of this video, we're doing the Juvias Place x Vanessa collection today. And this is my first time filming in my new place, and I'm also using my new backdrop behind me, which is my black backdrop. I've had it for like almost 6 months, but this is my first time using it, so it's just a really special video, this one. Okay, so if you want to hear my thoughts on this Juvias Place x Vanessa collection, as well as see how I created this look, then keep watching. All right, you guys, so face is pretty much together for the most part, and I'm so excited because it's finally time to dive into the Juvias Place x Vanessa items. I haven't even taken the items out the box yet. Like, ooh, so here it is. This is so nice. Okay, so those are the lip products. Oh. So here is the palette. These are the two lip products. Now this is interesting because, you know, the boxes look alike until you turn them to the side. Okay, so they both say that they're lip glosses. Looks like it slides out. Look at that, honey. Also, we're definitely gonna swatch these, and I like how they slide out. It's just so convenient. Yes, honey. And then let's take a look at this palette. Comes in the super protective, like, bubble wrapping that Juvias Place palettes always comes in. And so let's see. I mean, I love the packaging. The packaging is just sleek. I think her little like avatar looks amazing. And I think it's really cool because I follow her on Instagram and the photo of her literally matches this, which I think is so cool. So let's see. Ooh, I mean, these are gorgeous colors. I love this. So I got a swatch extra. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. Here is Perfectionist. Gorgeous. Oh, so I am so excited. That's obviously going to be my lid color. So the first color I'm going to go in with first is Busy. So I'm going to be gentle with this because Juvia's Place shadows are very pigmented. See, look at that. Already. It's showing up and showing out. Who gave her permission? Oh, it's so nice. Gorgeous. Like, look at that. This is like the perfect color. I mean, I could definitely keep building. Like, I think I am. I think I'm just gonna keep building because I just can't get over it. Look at that. That's so cute. I'm gonna go in with Akua next. I hope that's how you pronounce it. Oh my god. Like, this will never be this pretty. Oh my gosh. Juvia's Place and Vanessa. Who? All right. I mean, like, this color is so nice. I'm like over here whispering. I don't even know why I'm whispering, but it's just so nice. OMG. You know what I love about this too is that there hasn't been any fallout. And it's so crazy because I normally do my eyes first and then I'll do my foundation and stuff last. But I decided to do it the other way around for this video, and I didn't even think too much about it. That's just how I did it. And it's like definitely paying off because there's like no fallout, which is so crazy. I'm not used to that. That's so amazing. I love it. Like, this is just gorgeous. Oh, I mean, can it get any cuter? Next, we are about to go in with Perfectionist. Bring us home, honey. And you know what? I feel like this is one of those shadows where you might have to use your finger to really, oh, yes, where you just use your finger to really get that color payoff. Yes. Oh, this is gorgeous. And then you just come in after with the brush to just clean it up a little bit. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is gorgeous. I love it. I'm gonna add just a little bit of BSG. Oh my gosh, I love that this shadow, I literally just did this wing with the shadow. I love that it's like dark enough that I can actually do that. That's so cool. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It's just such a cute, simple, like fun eye. I just really love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my mascara and my lashes, and I will be right back. Lashes are on, they're looking good. I know today's video is all about the Juvia's Place X Vanessa products, but if you guys are interested in like the lashes that I'm wearing or anything else that I might be wearing on my face today, definitely just go ahead and check out the description box down below, because I will link everything down there for you guys. So yeah, now I'm gonna go ahead and finish off these eyes. Oh, it just kind of like just pulls it together. I'm gonna go back in with Aqua. Oh, that's cute. Then I'm gonna go back in with BSG. Like that. I'm really getting this up against that lower lash line. There we go. Boom. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of extra. I'm gonna pop that into my tear ducts. I don't know why I thought it would have like more of a wow factor, but that's okay. It's okay. It's okay. So yeah, so moving on to the lip products. These are the two glosses. This is Legit Nude and this is Naomi. So I do want to go ahead and swatch both of them. Oh, is it like a legit gloss? OMG. I don't know why I thought these were like lip stain or something. Oh, that is beautiful. That is Legit Nude. Ooh, yes, honey. And it is a legit nude, I'll tell you that. This is Naomi. Oh my gosh, how pretty is that? So obviously I'm gonna be wearing Naomi today. So I'm just gonna go ahead and line my lips really quickly. So that's all I'm gonna do, and then I'm just gonna go straight in with the Naomi gloss. So I'm super excited. Oh, oh my gosh. Literally obsessed. Vanessa, girl. See, OMG, but this is gorgeous. How beautiful. OMG, like, and the gloss feels so good. Like, it doesn't feel, you know, sticky or anything like that. It really does feel hydrating and just smooth. And even when I'm talking, I'm not getting like, you know, sometimes when you put on a gloss and you talk, those little strings will begin to form from your top lip and bottom lip because the gloss is just a little bit too thick and a little bit too sticky. What I love about this gloss is that it's not too thick. The color payoff is still amazing and it's not sticky whatsoever. It's so hydrating. It feels really, really good on the lips. I love that. I'm so satisfied with these products and I'm just so proud of Vanessa. Like, I've been following her for a little bit and she just puts out like quality content and you can just tell she works really, really hard and she just deserves all of the success that, you know, she's been getting this past year because she really puts in the work. And as a fellow content creator, you know, whenever I see her stuff pop up on my timeline, I instantly like it because I can just tell how much time and effort she puts into her stuff. And, you know, when you see someone like that, especially when they're in the same field as you, you want to like support them and like show them love and like, because that's pretty much their fuel to like keep going. So I'm so happy she got this collaboration with Juvia's Place. I mean, I can't really think of anyone like more deserving than Vanessa. Like, I just love her and I love these products. Like, I feel incredibly pretty. Like, I love this so much. You know, would I recommend these? All right, sorry guys. My battery died, so I had to go and change my battery pack. But what I was saying was I absolutely love and adore Vanessa, and she's just one of those influencers where I legit feel like that's my friend in my head, like that's my girl. Okay, so the moment I saw that she had a collaboration with Juvia's Place, I literally screamed, like, because the first thing that I saw on my timeline was this picture. So when I saw the picture, I'm like, oh, that's giving me like Juvia's Place vibes. I'm like, I really hope that this is like an ad or something for Juvia's Place. And it was even better. It was a collaboration with Juvia's Place. So I am just, oh, I just feel so proud of her. And you know, like I was saying before, she is one of those influencers that whenever she pops up onto my timeline, no matter what it is, whether it's a photo or a video or whatever, the quality is top tier. Like, you can tell she puts in so much work and so much effort into the work that she chooses to put out for us to consume. And so because of that, I just absolutely love her. And to see her get this deal with Juvia's Place, it is just so heartwarming, and I'm just so very proud of her. She did an amazing job. I love the colors that she chose. I feel like it's really true to her brand. I love the glosses. The glosses are so hydrating, and you get this beautiful color payoff, and you know, they don't make your lips feel sticky whatsoever. And so I think they just did a really good job with this collaboration. If you're asking me like if I would recommend this, like on a scale of like 1 to 10, I would absolutely give it a 10, because I just have no critiques whatsoever about this line. I felt like the colors were cute. You know, I mean, it's only 6 colors, and I feel like the colors that she chose, it was like she gave us a couple browns, and she gave us like these fun, you know, shimmery foil type shadows, and then she gave us like some good mattes too, like some good bright mattes, and it was just so on brand for her. I mean, I don't even have a critique about the packaging. Like, the packaging is just so cute to me. It really is. Like, it's literally her. Like like, it's really not much to critique. She looks amazing. I mean, I'm just really proud of this collaboration that she did, and I'm so happy I was able to support and get this video together, because I just love her and I love how the look like came out. That's pretty much all I have to say about it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know your thoughts down below. If you plan on purchasing these products to support Vanessa, if you even know who Vanessa is, like, do you follow Vanessa? Because I absolutely love her. I'll link her collection with Juvia's Place down in the description box below. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.